Okay, for the radiator upgrade, I've got the 05170742AA. It's the Severe Duty 2 radiator. You find them in SRTs and Hellcats and other performance applications. And I'm going to go ahead and put it into my 2017 Charger here, the police package, and this was the original. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the thickness here of the radiator. So this radiator comes in at a whopping 1.06 of an inch thickness here. And the severe duty is 1.73 of an inch. So 3/4 more of a radiator thickness, and it also looks like the end tanks are bigger as well. And also it appears that all of the mounting points are in the same locations. It's just they use different hardware. This looks like a the aggressive, almost like a wood screw goes in here, and then these look like bolts, actual fine thread bolts. So, but it appears that all the dimensions are the same. I'm going to go ahead and stuff it in, see what's up. I did notice that the hose end tanks are different. This is 1.5. This is going to be 1.6. About 1 point, so 1.5 again. And then we got 1 3/4. So, gonna have to find some hoses that are going to mate that together. I don't think that I'm going to be able to stretch them, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so we'll take a look here at how the stock air conditioning condenser matches up to the severe duty radiator. So the lower bolts do fit right up, but the upper bolts do not align and match up. So I'll have to figure out a bracketing system for the upper bolts to get the air conditioning condenser attached, because I don't want to give that up. I'm pretty fond of the air conditioning. But some good news, the lower radiator hose that I thought I would have to replace over there, can hardly see it I guess, but it slides right on the bottom of the severe duty radiator, so that's going to be excellent. Now all I have to do is get the upper radiator hose, which goes there obviously, and there to the proper size. So, well, just have to make some brackets to get the upper portion of the condenser attached to the radiator, and then get a bigger hose. So far so good. I'll keep you updated. Alright, so here we go. Radiator stuffed in. Fits pretty darn good considering it's for a different model. Just have to figure out some brackets for your air conditioning condenser and your top radiator hose here. So now that that's in, we'll go ahead and move on to a couple other odds and ends and get this thing back rolling.